to fix unable to contact the server. Please check your internet connection error on your Roblox app. Hey everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can fix this issue of your Roblox having this internet connection error. So without any further ado, let's begin with the video on how we can solve it. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So if you're looking out how you can do that, the number one thing is head over to the main settings of your device and then just look up at the option called apps here. Just go to the app section, and after going to the app section, you'll be finding all of the apps that is available onto your device. On the search bar, you're just going to type in Roblox, or you may just scroll down until you're able to find the option called Roblox here. Just head over to the Roblox app and wait for it to open. After that is open, just scroll down a bit until you're able to find this option called storage here. Just tap on it and clear the cache of the app. Just confirm it and clear the cache. After that is done, you need to go to the permission section and make sure you have given every permissions here, like camera, contacts, files, and media. And if that doesn't fix the issue, you may just uninstall the application. Just uninstall the application onto your device and head over to the Play Store application onto your device and re-download the Roblox app onto your device. Just head over to the Roblox and re-download it. And also download the latest version, and if you already have that app, just make sure you have updated the app into the latest version as well. And that's how you basically fix your issue. Otherwise, just restart the device for once, and also head over to a better internet connection. Just switch up to a good internet connection and see if that fixes your issue or not. So therefore, that's how you basically fix your error of your internet connection error and unable to connect into your Roblox. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.